How to find TikTok videos you've already seen. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to find TikTok videos you've already seen. Okay, straight into it. To begin, open up TikTok and tap Discover. In the search bar at the top, type in what you're looking for. You can search for the topic of the video, the creator's name, or a hashtag or sound they might have used. To filter the search results, tap the filters icon, then tap the switch labelled Watched Videos to enable this filter. Then tap Apply. After that, your search results will be filtered to show videos related to your search query that you've already previously watched. If no previously watched videos are found, you'll see other relevant videos instead. This is a super useful trick if you're trying to find a video that you didn't save to your likes. If you did like a video, you can easily find your liked videos on your TikTok profile. Tap the heart icon on your profile to view videos you've previously liked. And that's all it takes to find TikTok videos you've already seen. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments if this worked for you. Thanks for watching.